English reader, sorry, English grammar enhancer life skill book. Come on, open your book, everyone. On the page number, I'm just sharing the page number. A biographical sketch. Ready? First of all, start your video. Yes, on page number 241. A short composition of your writing skill. A biographical sketch. Biographical sketch and the biography and the autobiography. What is the difference between biography and autobiography? Hmm? Who will give me the answer? Just raise your hand. Start your video. Please, everyone, start your video. What is the difference between biography and autobiography? Yes, Palak, unmute yourself and give me the answer.
Biographical sketch is a short note on the person, and autobiographical sketches.
All you have Red Martin book is there now? Red one. I'm giving you a minutes to read. What is the difference between biography and autobiography? And tell me. Then I will start my topic. Come on. Open your book and read for the 2 minutes. Hurry up. Sometimes we have listened that a biography is written by that person. A person has released his autobiography. समझ में आ रहा है difference? Read it. Hurry up. Done? Okay. A biography. Yes, Angel, unmute yourself and give the answer. अरे बेटा सिंपल सा अभी मैंने बोला है. A biography is written by another person. We all
autobiography, personal life.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now today we will start a biographical sketch. It means we're having a short composition of the ideal 50 and 60 words. Open your page number 241. I'm sharing you the Biographical sketch. Biographical sketch means a biography tells the story of a person. जो भी एक person होता है, suppose a famous personality, a personal character, उसकी life के बारे में, an achievement. ये कि what is a personal character? It is he is an Indian famous cricketer, and what of famous writer, a famous musician, a famous director, famous actor, a dancer, and the life experience, how it had been changed, and what he have achieved. Achievement of he have achieved some precious award. A biographical sketch is a shorter and much more specific. क्या होती है? It means a very shorter and much more specific, means having a main points in it. We may define a biographical sketch as a description of the person, his physical appearance, a work, habits, achievement, or silent traits. A bio sketch is always written by someone else except the person of whom it is written. किसी और के द्वारा. An autobiography क्या होती है? It is written by it includes a person, age, education. उसमें क्या होती है? उसकी date of birth, उसकी age, उसकी qualification, उसका profession, उसके attributes. It presents the fact about the person life. उसमें उसके पूरे personal life के overview the life of the person. It is usually written in the third person. You all have studied about the person, first, second, and third person. Yes, he, she, it, they. याद है ना? First, second, third person. Points to remember during writing a biographical. सबसे important चीज है description about the person life के बारे में होता है. His or her, उसके physical features, उसकी date of birth, उसकी family, कि उसका family background कैसा है, education, profession, life, career, and award, what he have achieved. Always about a well-known person. ऐसा नहीं है कि हर किसी के बारे में, well-known person, personality के बारे में bio. पर्सनालिटी अचीवमेंट फील्ड, उसने जो भी पर्सन होगा उसने अपनी फील्ड के अंदर कुछ ना कुछ स्पेशल अचीवमेंट्स किए होंगे. A biographical sketch can also be count a common man life. He, she may be a shopkeeper, farmer, teacher, or clerk, or housewife. Okay, the word limits of biographical sketch. A word limit of 50 or 60 words only. And points you have to remember during write a biographical sketch. Number 1 point. आपको points मिले हुए रहते हैं notes में. You have to read it very careful. आपको जो points 5-7 points मिलेंगे तो you have to put your idea in logical order. ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले आपने achievements लिख दिए सारे, कि उसमें रिटायरमेंट हो गया वो तो first लिख दिया, and date of birth and what is the starting life of you are writing at the last. Do not include. Maintain the expressions, fluency, and accuracy. Revise your draft. Make a correction if required. Okay, and the marking scheme. आपके अगर marks सबसे पहले आपको content जो भी होगा उसके 2 marks होते हैं. Fluency and accuracy के कितने marks होते हैं? 2. And total in exam you are having a 4 marks biography. Done. Now read the example number 1 in your book 242. देखो. On the basis of note given, write a biographical sketch in 50-60 words. आपको points दिए हुए हैं. Suppose गगन नारंग, प्रोफेशन क्या? एयर राइफल शूटर. उसका प्रोफेशन बता दिया. देन उसकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ May 6, 1983, बर्थ प्लेस चेन्नई, हाइट Height and personality आ गई उसकी कि 5'8" and weight is 98 kg. Languages known as English, Hindi and Tamil. And achievements of 2000, 2006, 2010 and 2012. Gold medal in World Cup, Commonwealth Games. Okay, now you have to write in a one small paragraph in 50-60 words in logical order. So first you will write क्या लिखोगे? The introduction about the Gagan Narang was born on 6 May 1983 in Chennai. अब ऐसा नहीं लिखोगे, आपने as it is ये जो points लिखे कि हाँ गगन नारंग was born 6 May 1983. The birth, but you have to reduce because you're having a word limit in 50-60 words only. He is an air rifle shooter by the profession. His height and weight 8" and the weight is about a 98 kg. It's fluent in language known Hindi, English and Tamil. तो इसमें क्या लिखा है? He is fluent in Hindi, English and Tamil languages. It's included the 7 gold medals. गोल्ड मेडल इन Afro-Asian. आपको थोड़ा बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट भी करनी होगी, ऐसा नहीं है. देखो इसमें इट इज रिटन Afro-Asian Games में विन द गोल्ड मेडल इन 2003, बट इस पे ये मेंशन नहीं हुआ कितने गोल्ड मेडल. तो यू he won a medal of Asian Games in 2003 and then a World Cup also. He won a gold for the nation 2006 and 2008. He got a worldwide fame in 2010 when he won a 4 gold medals in Commonwealth Games. He won a bronze medal in Olympics 2012. But full stop. Because only you have जो आपको points मिले, you have to we will do the book exercise directly in your grammar book. Should I dictate or I write on the board? The board is visible to you, everyone? Okay. A first question in your grammar workbook, B1, it is about just a 1 minute, beta. Let me open the workbook page. Read the points. Rhythm. You know what's the problem? Unmute yourself. Rhythm. Unmute yourself, Rhythm.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
मैम आप पेज नंबर वापस बताना.
Page number 243.
ओके मैम.
Okay, this question is in your book. A biographical sketch. First, Sachin Tendulkar, a very famous personality in Indian cricket team or in the world about in the cricket. Yes, you all are being familiar with him. And you make a read the note given below and read the notes given below of life sketch of Indian cricket legend, the Sachin Tendulkar, and write a biographical sketch in 50-60 words. How would you write? First, you all have done. We have done a one example in your book. Gagan Naran ka. So suppose you have to write like this. Sachin Tendulkar. I'm dictating. Please note in your workbook. Should I write on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Whether I have written. Okay. Start writing. Sachin Tendulkar. The points, just read the points. 1973, the birth of Sachin Tendulkar. April in Mumbai, father's name is Sachin Tendulkar. 1984 gets his first. आपको इन पॉइंट्स को यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इन अ पैराग्राफ एंड 50-60 वर्ड जो पॉइंट्स दिए हुए हैं ना उन पॉइंट्स को gets his first cricket bat in 1984. 1987 he makes 664 runs in a school match. 1989 plays the first international cricket match against the Pakistan in November. 1996 he became the captain of Indian cricket team, scores the highest run in a World Cup, became the first man to score 200 runs in ODI. ODI means one day international. Highest score in test matches and ODI. A last match 14th November India versus West Indies. Just right now. Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar, comma, a well-known Indian cricketer, was, comma, Sachin Tendulkar, comma, a well-known Indian cricketer was born, the date of birth is given, born on 24th April 1973. In Mumbai. His father's name is his father's name is mentioned in a, what is the name of the father?
Ramesh Tendulkar.
Yes, Ramesh Tendulkar. Full stop. Then Sachin, a point first point complete होगा, then move on the second point. 1984 get his first cricket bat. Sachin got his first cricket bat in 1984. He made 664. He made 664 runs in school match. In November 1987. A third point is covered. In 1989, he played his first international test match. He played first international test match against which country? Pakistan. In November in 1989, he played his first international match against the Pakistan. Okay. In 1996, now move on the next point. In full stop. In 1996, comma. In 1996, he became the captain of Indian cricket team. He became the captain of Indian cricket team. Indian cricket team. And scored highest run and scored the highest runs in the World Cup. In the World Cup. Hurry up the slide. Then I will drop the board. He played in 1989. He played his first international match against the Pakistan. In 1996, he became the captain of Indian cricket team and scored the highest run in the World Cup. And the last point, second last point, Sachin became the first man. Sachin became the first man starting two lines? Rub kar do? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Starting two lines. I think it's more visible now. Okay?
लाइट का फ्लैश आ रहा है.
लाइट फ्लैश आ रहा है. एक सेकेंड. Had you written now? Okay, last line. Sachin became Sachin just write Sachin became the marker is not working properly. Sachin became the first man. Sachin became the first man to score 200 runs. 200 runs in an ODI. ODI means One Day International. One Day International. Sachin became the first man to score the 200 runs in an ODI One Day International 14th November 2013. Full stop. 14th November. A last point. 14th November 2013. 14th November 2013, comma, 14th November 2013, comma, he played his last match India versus West Indies. Full stop. Now end. Okay?
I have done.
Done? Palak, you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Rachni, you have done? Now who will share me the screen? Raksha, Rhythm, unmute yourself. Saurabh, Saurabh, just share me the screen. I'm giving, okay? Just share the screen to me. Only Saurabh. Saurabh, share the screen, madam. Karnik, 1 minute.
Ma'am, can I share the screen?
Karnik, please unmute yourself, madam.
मैम 2013 वाली लाइन है मैम. लास्ट मैच 14 नवंबर इंडिया वर्सेस वेस्ट इंडीज. मैम उसके मैम जस्ट ऊपर मैम हाईएस्ट स्कोर इन द टेस्ट मैच.
Should I dictate it? मैं dictate करूँ उसको?
नो मैम उसको लिख सकते हैं ना.
हाँ, you may write. ये तो बेटा मैं अपने अब second example है ना, you will do by yourself. Okay?
ओके मैम.
Then I will check. फिर मैं check करके फिर मैं dictate करूँगी and check it कि that you have written it correct or not. It is clear to you now the 4-5.7
Okay, ma'am.
points given to you. आपको points दिए हुए हैं.
ओके मैम.
याशिका, can you zoom it? इसको zoom कर सकते हो? Saurabh, what's your problem, beta? Okay, Ashika. Saurabh, unmute yourself. Sachin Tendulkar is a well-known Indian. Beta, I should be a capital. Cricketer was born on 24 April 2093. He's 73. Ajit, 73. It's 7, okay. 73 in Mumbai. His father's name is Ramesh Tendulkar. Sachin got his first cricket bat in 1984. He made एक मिनट. He makes नहीं आएगा बेटा, made आएगा. He made. Makes नहीं है word. Made लिखा है word. He made. इसको tense change, yes. This word. MADE. 664 runs in match. In school match. Okay? In school match in November 1987, full stop. In 1989, he played his first international match against the Pakistan. In 1996, he became the captain of Indian cricket team and scored the highest run in the World Cup. In the World Cup 2010, where is the line? The captain cricket team become the highest runs to World Cup. Sachin became.
Can I show you?
एक minute, let me check. Sachin became the first man to score 200 runs in ODI One Day International in November 2000 and November. Okay. Then 14th November 2013, comma, he played his last match for India versus West Indies. Okay. Okay, Yashika,
Ma'am, please share.
just make a correction, the words, okay? All. Next. Who will share me?
Me.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay,
Can I?
Me.
Mummy.
Karnik, you want to share?
No, ma'am.
I want to share.
There is Palak will share.
Palak, you want to share?
Yes, ma'am.
Share it.
Yashika's screen is coming.
I hope you have understand about the biographical skills. Second one, you may can done. You can done now. Second one, about whom? A famous personality in Ustad Zakir Hussain, a famous tabla player. Okay, Palak. Palak, what you have written the spelling of Mumbai?
गलती से हो गया.
गलती से गलतियां नहीं होनी थी ना, गलती से आप देखकर भी करेक्ट नहीं उतार रहे हो तो देन okay done Palak. Now move on. Second example of Ustad Zakir Hussain, a famous music tabla player. Read the notes given a life history of famous tabla player. Okay, Saurabh. Okay, Dishi, just share it. Riksha, you also. Saurabh, it's okay, beta. Dishi,
Up can I show you?
1 minute, let him.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा इसको रोटेट करो. You having this option, na?
Ma'am, now can I show you?
Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
now can I show you?
Cherry, it's okay. Show me, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Cherry,
Cherry, ma'am, share was screen. share.
Cherry. Show me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, other participant has shared the screen.
Dishi, Daksh.
Duff is sharing the whiteboard.
Dishi. Karnav, you want to share? Just raise your hand.
Ma'am, other participant have shared the screen.
Beta, please speak your name. I'm not able to identify your voice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, I am Karnik Sangi.
Okay, Karnik, just 1 minute. Rishi, it's okay. No need to share me. Dishi, Karnik, share your screen now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is also have shared the
Only
screen.
Karnik. हाँ Karnik.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी की गुड मॉर्निंग अभी हुई है. Yes, Karnik बेटा. अभी गुड मॉर्निंग.
Ma'am, C.
Dishti. Only Karnik.
Ma'am, Seema.
I'm not able to see.
Excuse me.
Share it again.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now.
Now it is visible, Karnik. Sachin Tendulkar, a well-known, बेटा known W का N भी लगाओ.
Okay, ma'am.
Known Indian cricketer, not India cricketer, Indian cricketer, was born on 24 April. What is the spelling of April? Just make it correct.
APRIAL.
AP.
Okay,
APRIL.
APRIL. IL.
And what you have written?
Okay.
AL. Mumbai.
AP.
फादर की स्पेलिंग क्या लिख रहे हैं बेटा? रमेश की स्पेलिंग टी क्यों लगाया है? H. Just make the correction बेटा. Karnik. Ramesh, correct the
Yes,
spelling of Ramesh. Father. April. Known India के Indian करो उसको word. Sachin got his first cricket bat in 1984. He made.
Okay, ma'am.
He made 664 runs. In school match in November 1987. In 1889, he played his first international match against the Pakistan. In 1996, he became the captain of Indian cricket team and scored the highest run in the World Cup. Sachin became the first. Beta, where is the line? Highest run in the World Cup. Sachin, okay. No, Sachin became the first man to score 200 and run. S लगाओ बेटा runs. N के बाद S. In ODI, One Day International, 14th November 2013, he played this night his last match, है ना? India versus
Okay, ma'am.
West Indies. Okay, Karnik, just make a correction and very good. Okay,
Okay.
now stop sharing the screen.
Ma'am. Ma'am, I have stopped sharing my screen.
So, Abhi, good morning. Unmute yourself first of all and stop. Unmute yourself.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I think Abhi की good morning बहुत late होती है ना अभी?
मैम मैं स्कूल में हूँ.
हाँ, I can see you that you are in school.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice because you are being a very lazy at your home. Abhi, did you having an English workbook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next example about Ustad Zakir Hussain. What ma'am just dictating in a. देखो birth is given March 1951. Father Ustad Allaka is a famous tabla player. Education कहाँ पे हुई? Then the name went to a United States and start international career. 1987, a first solo making music release. Then 1987 achievement of Padam Shri. And 1990 won Indo-American Award and has composed the soundtrack for several movies also. So how would you write in your book? Pandit Zakir Hussain. Just write in a rough copy, then pair out in your workbook. Okay? Pandit Zakir Hussain, comma, the famous tabla player. Sorry, Ustad Zakir Hussain, the famous tabla player, comma, was born on March 1951, full stop. His father, comma, Ustad Allah Rakha, Arnab Mathur will also have joined me late, was also a famous tabla player. Okay? Full stop. Then Zakir Hussain went to St. Martial High School in Maheen, as well as St. Xavier College in Mumbai. St. Xavier College, Mumbai, comma, Mumbai, full stop. Okay, बेटा मैं repeat कर रही हूँ. Ustad Zakir Hussain, the famous tabla player. Ustad Zakir Hussain, the famous tabla player, was born on March 9, 1951. His father, Ustad Allah Rakha, was also a famous tabla player. Full stop. Zakir Hussain went to St. Michel High School, comma, Maheen, as well as St. Xavier College, comma, Mumbai, full stop. In 1970, he went, a third point of note that given in your workbook. In 1970, he went to the United States. He went to the United States and started his international career. Mumal, stop playing with your hair and please note in your rough copy, then pair out in your. Okay? He went to the United States and started his international career. Full stop. In 1987, comma, the first solo. In 1987, comma, his first solo making music. Inverted comma में लिखना making music. Released in 1989. Release के बाद full stop. In 1989, comma, he won Padma Shri title. Full stop. Padma Shri title, full stop. In 1990, in 1990, comma, he won India American Award. India American Award.
वो इंडिया होगा या इंडो?
इंडिया कर लो, इंडिया. Indo, you can write, he won India American Award. Full stop. And last line, he has also composed, he has also composed soundtrack for several movies. Okay, full stop. Palak,
Yes, ma'am.
just share the screen that you have written on. Aniket Meena, your name is Palak?
Ma'am, Angel Gupta also shared the screen.
Just share with Ustad Zakir Hussain. Next page share करना है Angel जरा. Muskan ma'am, good morning. Please 2 minutes. I know that. Okay, Angel, it's okay now. Good morning, Muskan ma'am.
Can I continue with my class or they want to take a break?
They will take a break for the 10 minutes. They have written by the आज कुछ ज़्यादा लिख लिया, then they are being tired today, है ना? And Abhi is in the school because he is always lazy. That's the reason, है ना Abhi? Just show me your face and unmute yourself. Just take a break and come back after 5 minutes. Hurry up.
It's 10:02. Just come back by 10:07. Just 5 minutes, okay?
Only 5 minutes.
Have some water.
Abhi,
Yes, ma'am.
just show me your face now. We are not able to see your face. Only.
Ma'am, camera ऊपर है.
Camera ऊपर है? How it is possible? Just adjust yourself according to the camera.
मैम कर रहा हूँ लेकिन फिर ऊपर चल जा रहा है.
नहीं. Just adjust it.
मैम नहीं आ रहे नीचे.
नहीं. Now I can see your face.
That's good, Abhi, if you are in the school.
Every time, ma'am, he having a network issue. When we start after oral liya, then he having a network issue. WhatsApp paper, network issue. Google form test, network issue. That the Abhi problem is sorted out by his father, I think, है ना Abhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Very good, Abhi. Welcome
Okay.
back to
Ma'am, I think you are co-host now. No,
yes, ma'am.
you're not a co-host now.
Yes.
Shall I leave now?
Can you make me co-host?
I'm not able to do that, ma'am. Mahavir sir will make you the co-host.
Okay. All right. I'll talk to him. You may leave, please. Thank you.
Okay, bye, ma'am. Okay, bye.
Papa. Good morning, ma'am.